Hello my dear students, now today we see the Newton-Raphson method. Okay, so this method is derived from the Taylor series. We know the Taylor series, f of x naught plus h is equal to f of x naught plus h into f dash of x naught plus h square by 2 factorial into f double dash of x naught plus dot 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 which is equal to 0. Okay, so we neglect the second and higher order derivative because as h is very small, so we neglect this term, we take only first two terms. So we get f of x naught plus h into f dash of x naught is equal to 0. This term we neglect, so we take only first and second term. So we get this equation, therefore implies that h is equal to h into f dash of x naught is equal to 0. Okay, is equal to, this is f of x naught here plus, so in this side which is the minus, so we get minus f of x naught. Okay, so we find the h, value of the h, therefore h is equal to minus f of x naught divided by f dash of x naught. Here f dash of x naught multiply to h, so this side which is divide to f of x naught, we get the h. Okay, so in next step, for a better approximation than x naught is given by x1 where x1 is equal to so x1 is equal to x naught minus f of x naught divided by f dash of x naught. Okay, a better approximation than the x naught is given by x1 is equal to x naught minus f of x naught divided by f dash of x naught. Therefore, by the successive approximation, one can get the following general formula. So, general formula with the xi plus 1. Here x1 is equal to x naught. So, we take here for a general formula xi plus 1 which is equal to xi minus f of xi divided by f dash of xi, where I is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to dash dash dash. If we put I is equal to 0, then we get the x1 term, I with the 0, x0 plus 1, that means x1 is equal to x0 minus f of xi divided by f dash of x naught. म्हणजे जिथे जिथे आय आहे तिथे तिथे काय पुट करणार आहे आपण, 0 पुट करणार आहे. देअरफॉर वी गेट x0 plus 1 is equal to x0 minus f of x0. See here, for I is equal to 0, we get x0 plus 1 is equal to x0 minus f of x0 divided by f dash of x0. Okay, so from this we get x1 is equal to x naught minus f of x naught divided by f dash of x naught. In a next step, we put I is equal to 1, we get x1 plus 1, that means x2 term, x2 is equal to x1 minus f of x1 divided by f dash of x1. In this way we continue this process till up to the desired point. So this formula is called a Newton-Raphson formula, and it may be used to find the roots of the algebraic and the transcendental equation.